Alright, so we got an aluminum pontoon repair. This ball fell off the receiver on the truck and took a little spill onto the road. I already whacked this back over. That was bent like that. So, big crack there, and then this side, what the hell? Ever wondered what a pontoon looks like? I used to build pontoons, so this kind of it's probably be totaled out if the insurance claimed it, but we'll get her fixed up. And then over here, it got some road rash down the road when it fell. Crack there, big gash. We'll weld that up, get a plate on it, gouge into it. I mean, this whole section is super thin now. And then even worse, back here, even more road gash. Super thin, a lot of the material's missing. Super bad. Basically right next to that weld. So we'll gouge into that, weld it, plate it, weld all the way around, make sure it's right. It's a big pontoon to sink into the lake, so we'll get her all done up right. This one's mostly straight now. Good enough. This one, I'm going to get some welds right here, get it kind of shaped back, and then I'll start to bend this back into its straightened like position and start laying more welds basically and get it as straight as possible, and then we'll probably end up plating it. I'm not 100% sure, but shouldn't be too bad. That's what they all say.